Imagine stepping back in time, but with all the luxuries of the future. This stunning 90s-looking tiny home will make you question everything you know about modern design. At first glance, it's like a time capsule pulled straight from your favorite retro movie: boxy lines, pastel tones, and a vibe that screams nostalgia. But the moment you step inside, you realize, this isn't just a home. It's a masterpiece that blends vintage soul with futuristic living. Let's start with the exterior: the muted teal paint, the cream trims, and those sharp, clean edges that instantly transport you to the golden age of the 90s. But here's the twist: every inch of it is built using modern, eco-friendly materials. Solar panels are hidden on the roof, a rainwater system is cleverly integrated, and the insulation? Top tier. So, you're getting that classic retro aesthetic with 2025 level efficiency. Now, step inside, and brace yourself. The interior is where the magic truly unfolds. You're greeted by warm, honey-toned wood, soft neon accents, and that classic 90s checkerboard kitchen floor. It's nostalgia overload, but in the best way possible. There's a tiny but stylish living space with a fold-out couch that doubles as a bed, a vintage tube-style TV that's actually a hidden 4K screen, and soft LED lighting that makes the whole room glow like a retro dream. The kitchen? Small but mighty. It's got that classic 90s diner look: glossy cabinets, chrome handles, and a tiny breakfast bar with two stools that look straight out of a sitcom. But everything is high-tech behind the scenes: induction cooktop, smart oven, and a mini fridge that's energy efficient and whisper quiet. You'd never believe so much modern tech hides beneath that old-school charm. Now the bathroom: you might expect cramped space, right? Wrong. It's brilliantly designed with a compact shower, vintage-style sink, and retro tile work that makes you feel like you're in a 1994 dream sequence. Yet, it's equipped with a smart water system that recycles and filters water to save up to 70% daily. And let's talk about comfort. This home may look old school, but it's built for today's lifestyle. It's fully mobile, lightweight, and can be towed by most vehicles. Inside, the temperature is perfectly balanced thanks to its hidden climate control system. So whether you're parked in a mountain valley or by the beach, you're always in your cozy retro paradise. But here's what really sets this 90s-looking tiny home apart: it's not just about nostalgia. It's about emotion. It's a reminder that simplicity, warmth, and character never go out of style. In a world obsessed with minimalism and glass boxes, this home dares to bring color, texture, and personality back. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning something that captures the heart of the past with the brains of the future, this is it. The 90s are back, but smarter, smaller, and more stylish than ever. And the best part?